Hello everyone. Today, we will be talking about how to take care of our eyes, and what causes to lose vision or weak vision, and what to do to recover eye vision. Firstly, let's talk about how to take care of our eyes. It's important to ensure that our eyes are well hydrated by drinking plenty of water, avoiding smoking and excessive alcohol consumption, and using computer screens for extended periods of time should be done every 30 minutes to an hour to take a break and look away from the screen. Now, let's talk about what causes to lose vision or weak vision. Age-related eye disease such as macular degeneration, glaucoma, and diabetic retinopathy are some of the leading causes of vision loss. Also, accidents like direct injury to the eye, chemical burns, and exposure to bright light can cause permanent damage to the eye's vision. Finally, let's talk about what to do to recover eye vision. Regular eye checkups with an optometrist or eye doctor are essential to diagnose any underlying eye diseases early on. It is also important to maintain a healthy lifestyle by eating a balanced diet, getting enough sleep, and exercising regularly to improve blood flow to the eyes. In conclusion, taking care of our eyes is essential to maintain good vision, and it's important to be aware of the causes of vision loss and take the necessary steps to recover eye vision. Remember to visit an optometrist regularly and take necessary precautions to maintain good eye health. Thank you for watching.